FastMCP 3 introduces dynamic component visibility control through session-specific context methods, enabling runtime access management without altering global server configurations. This mechanism leverages asynchronous context operations to selectively enable or disable tagged component groups, creating isolated execution environments tailored to specific operational requirements. The upcoming implementation demonstrates how a session can activate multiple component categories simultaneously while maintaining granular control over individual tool availability, all through sequential context method invocations that accumulate visibility rules. The pattern showcases FastMCP's layered visibility system, where session-level overrides take precedence over server defaults, with automatic client notifications ensuring real-time state synchronization.
At MCP tool, async def customized session text, context SDR. Hash enable finance tools for this session. Await CTX, enable components tags equals finance. Hash also enable admin tools. Await CTX, enable components tags equals admin. Hash later, disable a specific admin tool. Await CTX, disable components names equals dangerous admin tool. Return session customized.
This code demonstrates FastMCP 3's session-level component visibility management, a pattern for runtime access control that complements the server-level visibility system. The Customize Session tool uses the context objects methods to dynamically enable and disable components for the current session only without affecting other connected clients. This approach allows for fine-grained, per-user customization of available functionality. The implementation follows a layered visibility transform pattern where session-specific rules override global server settings. The code first enables all components tagged with finance, then enables admin components, and finally disables a specific tool named dangerous admin tool. This ordering matters because later rules override earlier ones for the same component, demonstrating how to create broad enablements with specific exceptions. The pattern is particularly useful for implementing progressive disclosure, role-based access control, or feature flagging at the individual session level. The trade-off here is between flexibility and complexity. While session-level customization provides powerful per-user control, it requires careful management of rule ordering and potential conflicts between session and server-level settings. The automatic client notifications when visibility changes help maintain consistency, but developers must still consider the cognitive load of managing multiple visibility layers in production systems. This pattern is ideal when different users need different toolsets from the same server instance. Let's break it down.
At MCP tool, async def customized session text, context SDR.
Defines an asynchronous function named Customize Session that takes a context object as input and returns a string. The @MCP tool decorator marks this function as a tool within the FastMCP 3 framework, making it available for use in session customization workflows. The function signature indicates it will perform some session-related operation using the provided context and return a string result.
Hash enable finance tools for this session. Await CTX, enable components tags equals finance.
Enables finance-related components for the current session by calling enable components on the context object with a tag filter specifying finance. The operation is awaited, indicating it's an asynchronous call that must complete before proceeding.
Await CTX, enable components tags equals admin.
Enables interactive components in the current context that are tagged with admin. The await keyword indicates this is an asynchronous operation that will complete before execution continues. This specifically activates UI elements or functionality marked for administrative access.
Hash later. Disable a specific admin tool. Await CTX. Disable components names equals dangerous admin tool.
Calls the disable components method on the CTX object asynchronously, passing a dictionary with a single key, dangerous admin tool, to disable that specific component. The operation will complete without blocking, returning control immediately while the disable operation executes in the background.
Return session customized.
Returns the string literal session customized as the output of the function. FastMCP3's session-level component visibility control demonstrates a layered approach to runtime access management, where context methods enable or disable tagged component groups asynchronously. The pattern leverages sequential method invocations that accumulate visibility rules, with later operations overriding earlier ones for the same component. This creates a flexible system where broad enablements like finance and admin tags can be combined with specific exceptions, such as disabling dangerous admin tool. The session-specific rules override server defaults, ensuring per-user customization without global impact. While this provides powerful granular control, it introduces complexity in managing rule ordering and potential conflicts between visibility layers. The automatic client notifications maintain real-time consistency, making this pattern ideal for scenarios requiring dynamic, role-based toolset customization at the individual session level.
The session enables finance, disables admin, yet both dance in the shadow of CTX, enable components.